Good morning to one and all. So yesterday's class we discussed about the sentence. Okay, the sentence I told you that the words how it is formed, then the phrases how it is formed, and the sentence how it is formed. Okay, the words are formed with the combination of these alphabets or else English letters. Okay, what do you call it? Then the phrases is both. Okay, the alphabets and the words. Okay, the combination of words and the alphabet, we form what is phrases, and the sentence is a combination of these phrases and the words. Okay, that is called what the sentences. And okay, काला में क्या अलग अलग क्या 5 प्रकार के सेंटेंस देखा. Okay, we can declarative. Okay, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence. Okay, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and the optative sentence. Okay, the first one is what? The declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Then comes imperative. Okay. Then another one. Interrogative. Then exclamatory. Okay, so this one 4 sentences according to your English grammar में है सिर्फ 4 sentences. Okay, 4 types of sentences. और जो कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज है okay, ये 4 sentences ही दिया हुआ है. और एक है ये क्या ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. ऑप्टेटिव ओके सेंटेंसेस ये शायद इसका क्या क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर और एक्सरसाइज में नहीं हुआ होगा. ओके, ऑपरेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में. सो फर्स्ट वी सी दैट वन द एक्सरसाइज. पेज नंबर 6 you can take it if you have this book. Write whether these sentences are declarative. Okay, for declarative we have to write what? D. Okay, then for imperative I. Okay. Then interrogative. Sorry. For interrogative I. Okay. And for imperative I am. And the exclamatory E. Okay. So there are some sentences. Okay. 12 sentences are there. So 12 sentences are there. So end of the sentence, okay, you have to read, and if it is exclamatory sentence, अगर ये exclamatory sentence तो ये sentence का okay, sentence के क्या अंत में आप E लिखना है. और अगर ये interrogative sentence होता तो sentence का अंत में I लिखना है. और imperative sentence होता तो या I am लिखना है. और declarative sentence के लिए D लिखना है. Okay, so the first questions. How bright the lights are. Okay, how bright the lights are. Here you see. How bright the lights are. Okay, so you can make out by seeing this one. Okay, what kind of sentence is it? Okay, how bright the lights are. Okay, see, this is the punctuation mark. It is used for this is sentence. So this is sentence. This is okay. ये punctuation mark हम कौन सा क्या सेंटेंस के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं आपको तो मैं कल ही बोल दिया हूँ. ओके, मेरे ख्याल से आपसे कोई क्या तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, the lights are. So this is what exclamatory sentence. So you can write it E. Okay, sorry, E. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, then number 2. Okay, ये सेक्शन में 12 नंबर है. Okay, the left turn left at the crossing. Okay, turn left at the crossing. So there is a what a full stop is there. Okay. This one you can write it. Okay. you can write this one, what is called imperative sentence. Okay, so this one what is in imperative sentence I told you. Okay, this imperative sentence includes command, request and advice. Okay, so here what is the advice is given. Okay, turn left at the crossing. Advice, this one is what imperative sentence. Then what a noisy place is this? Okay, you know that. Okay, and then this one what this punctuation mark is there, so accordingly you can provide. Then may I have some lemonade? Okay, may I have some lemonade? Okay, asking question. Okay, कौन सा yes, what type of sentence you can write it. Okay, for anything. Okay, whether it is interrogative or declarative or imperative or exclamator. Then sit down. Okay, sit down. So this is also what kind of a sentence you can write it. The same question mark is same punctuation mark is used for this one, number 6. Sit down. Then next number 7. Eat your meals at the right time. Okay, advice is given. What kind of sentence you can make? Please help me replace the flat tire. Okay, this one was request. Okay, what kind of sentence you can make it? I always set the alarm for 5:30 a.m. Okay, so this is what kind of sentence you can make it. My brother will be 18 next month. Okay, this one was what declarative sentences. Okay, so could you show me the way to the principal's office? क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है. Okay, कौन सा सेंटेंस आपको लिखना है? That one, number 11. Okay, then number 12. Last one. Stop talking. Okay. Then the number B. Write the end punctuation mark for all the sentences in each set and identify their kind. Okay. This one. Okay, 4 sentences. No, sorry, 4 sections are there. Under 4. Okay, 3. Okay, in it, I will 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this has got 3. This has got 3 questions. This has got 3. This has got 3 questions. Okay, so each question has got 3. Understand? So here you have to read the read the sentence. Sentence को पढ़ने के बाद कौन सा sentence है आप लिखना है और क्या punctuation mark भी देना है. The first one. The bus will arrive at 9 o'clock. Okay, so the bus arrive clock. So the dash is there. Okay. So according to the sentence, you have to put the punctuation mark and write what kind of sentence is it. Okay, here what this one is it? This is declarative sentence. Okay, declarative sentence. Therefore, we put this one first. The punctuation mark is full stop. Then you have to write it what kind of sentence it belongs. Okay, then declarative sentence you can put it. Then it has got 3 questions. The rest 2 you have to do it. Then the next second number. Have you seen my brother? No. Have you seen my water bottle? Okay, the second number. So this one is what? Asking question. Okay, you can make it what kind of punctuation mark you have to put. Okay, then what kind of sentence. The number 3. Keep off the grass. Okay, don't wait. The number 4, students. Number 4, we have won the match. Okay, this is what the expression of joy. You know that it will be what kind of punctuation mark. Okay, किसी तरह ये किसी प्रकार punctuation mark और किसी प्रकार sentence ये होता है. Okay, then another one, such a beautiful sight. Okay, this is also expression of wonder or surprise. Then how intelligent you are. This one also is a what a expression of wonder and surprise. Okay. Then the next one. Read these sentences. Okay. These sentences we find that but the negative sentence. Okay. You know that in the negative sentence we use what a usually we use what a not. Okay. In the sentence we use not. Then it becomes what a negative sentence. Okay. For example, okay, he is not playing. Okay. They are not eating. Okay. They are playing. That is what a not a negative. Okay. When we use negative not to a sentence, then it becomes what a negative sentence. For example, if I say, okay, they are not studying. Okay. If I say they are not studying. See, here the negative, here not is used, then this sentence becomes what a negative. Okay. अगर not इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा तो ये क्या पॉजिटिव ही होगा. Okay. They are studying. Okay. बिना not से ये क्या पॉजिटिव बनता है ये सेंटेंस. अगर not इस्तेमाल होता तो ये क्या नेगेटिव बन जाता है. They are not studying. So here are some examples. Rajan does not eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Okay, 7. Okay, 7 बजे में क्या राजन ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाते. Okay, this is what habitual action. And I am not going to the fair. Okay, fair means what? Mela. Okay, F-A-I-R. F-A-I-R. Okay, fair means mela. I am not going to the fair. Okay. Then Rohit will not go to school today. Okay, not go to school today. So these are what are negative sentences. So negative sentences, okay, that has not in it is called what a negative. Now sentence which has got not. Okay, the word which has got not is called what a negative sentence. Okay. So here let us understand the words order of negative sentences. So this one we shall study tomorrow. Okay, dear students, in the negative sentence and the exercise we shall do it tomorrow. So up to that you do the this is homework of this what is called these sentences. Okay, A and B. So thank you so much.